Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're going to talk about a word that's all about keeping things clear and easy to understand. Our word of the day is basic. It's a B1 level adjective that means something is simple or essential. Let's start with the definition. When we say something is basic, we're describing something that is necessary, fundamental, or uncomplicated. For example, a basic recipe for bread would just use flour, water, yeast, and salt, nothing fancy, just the essentials. You'll often hear this word used when talking about skills, needs, or knowledge that are straightforward or foundational. Now, let's look at some synonyms for basic. Words like simple, essential, primary, and fundamental all share similar meanings. For example, you could say, cooking rice is a simple task once you learn the steps, or water is an essential need for all living things. On the flip side, let's explore some antonyms like complex, advanced, or complicated. For example, learning to code can seem complex at first, or that math problem is much more advanced than I expected. How about using basic in everyday conversations? You might say, I just want to buy a basic phone, no extra features, or she teaches basic English to beginners. It's also common to hear phrases like back to basics, which means returning to the simple, foundational parts of something. For example, let's go back to basics and focus on the core ideas. Here are a few more examples of basic in action. The teacher explained the basic rules of grammar. Our camping trip was fun, but the conditions were pretty basic, just a tent and a campfire. This manual will teach you the basic steps to start using your new phone. To wrap up, we've learned that basic means simple or essential, and it's often used to describe something straightforward or foundational. Synonyms like simple and essential highlight its simplicity, while antonyms like complex and advanced show the contrast. Thanks so much for joining me today to explore this word. If you enjoyed the episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps others find the show. And here's your challenge. Create your own sentence using basic and share it in the comments. I can't wait to read what you come up with. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.